Good morning, everyone. Today I speak topic on computer. Computer is most important part in world. Computer is best machine. Computer is smart device. There are three type of computer: supercomputer, mid-range computer, mainframe computer. Famous for type of computer browsers: Google Chrome, Mozilla Firefox, Internet Explorer, and Apple Safari. Computer operating to uh, keyboard and mouse. Computer use malls and shops, stores, and other places. Use people computer for coding, check messages, emails, and other work, online shopping, trading, and other work. Computer keyboard keys to one 104 keys. Computer type of hardware, keyboard, display, mouse, and system unit. Computer type of software: icons, app, files, shapes, and other files.